As I promised, I am creating this video and we'll go in a lot of details for all the bidding strategies in Google Ads. First, I will start with automated bid strategies, and then I will explain the manual bid strategies, which is basically just manual CPC. Okay, let's start with the target CPA. So basically, the target CPA is a Google Ads Smart bidding strategy that sets bids to help get as many conversions as possible at or below the target cost per acquisition. You preset this cost per acquisition. It uses advanced machine learning to automatically optimize bids and offer auction time bidding capabilities that tailor bids for each and every auction. Target CPA is available as either a standard strategy in a single campaign or as a portfolio strategy across multiple campaigns. Using historical information about your campaign and evaluating the contextual signals presented at the auction time, target CPA bidding automatically finds an optimal CPC bid for your ad each time that it's eligible to appear. Google Ads sets these bids to achieve an advertising CPA equal to your target across all campaigns using this strategy. Some conversion may cost more than you target and some may cost less, but altogether Google Ads will try to keep your cost per conversion equal to target CPA you set. These changes in CPA take place because your actual CPA depends on factors outside of Google's control, such as changes to your website or ads or increased competition in ad auction. Additionally, your actual conversion rate can be lower or higher than the predicted conversion rate. For example, if you choose a target CPA of $10, Google Ads will automatically set your CPC bids to try to get you as many conversions at $10 on average. To help improve your performance in everyday ad auction, this strategy adjusts bids using real-time signals like device, browser, location, time of the day, remarketing list, and more. Now we are going to the another option, which is target ROAS, which is return on ad spend. The target ROAS lets you bid based on target return on ad spend. This Google Ads Smart bid strategy helps you get more conversion value or revenue at the target return on ad spend you set. Your bids are automatically optimized at auction time, allowing you to tailor bids for each auction. Target ROAS is available as either a standard strategy for a single campaign or a portfolio strategy across multiple campaigns. These are Google Ads. Basically, how this works across Google Ads campaigns. Actually, the platform predicts future conversions and associated values using your reported conversion values. So you need to have set up conversion tracking, which you report through your conversion tracking code. Then Google Ads will set maximum cost per click bids to maximize your conversion value while trying to achieve an average return on ad spend equal to your target. Basically, this is for ROAS, and it's really advanced strategy. You need to have understanding about your expected ROAS and how it will influence your business before start using it. The next strategy is maximize clicks. It is a very common, and I recommend it for new campaigns, since it's very easily applied by the platform, and you can be sure that it will send you really the maximum of clicks you can get for your budget. Basically, Google Ads focuses on increasing clicks for your campaign while spending a target amount. If you don't specify a target spend amount, Google Ads will attempt to use the remaining daily budget of any campaigns using this bid strategy. You can set up a custom ad scheduling to show your ads on specific days or during specific times, and use the maximize click strategy to focus on increasing clicks during those days and times. You can use maximum clicks for a single campaign, or you can set it up as a portfolio strategy. Portfolio strategies group together multiple campaigns into a single strategy. So as I mentioned already, I really admire maximize clicks for beginners campaigns, since it will bring enough statistics and enough conversion so that we can set up target CPA or maximize conversion or maximize conversion value automated bidding, since they cannot work without data. So whenever you start, you will start with maximize clicks or manual CPC, and then you go for let's say maximize conversion, and this is just the next bidding strategy that we'll explore right now. It's maximize conversion. Basically, maximize conversion automatically sets bids to help get the most conversion for your campaign while spending your budget. It uses advanced machine learning to automatically optimize bids and offer auction time bidding capabilities that tailor bids for each and every auction. These are, for example, using your historical information, Google will evaluate the contextual signals presented at auction time, and maximize conversions bidding automatically find an optimal bid for your ad each time it's eligible to appear. Google Ads sets these bids to help get the most conversions for your campaign while spending your budget. Before switching to maximize conversions, you need to check that the campaign is not part of a shared budget. Check your daily budget amount. Maximize conversions will try to fully spend your daily budget. And check your ROI goals, because if you have a ROI goal for your campaign, such as target cost per action or return on ad spend, you may want to switch to a target CPA or target ROAS bid strategy. The next campaign is maximize conversion value. Actually, first I want just to mention for the maximum conversion that to use it in practice, you need to have a strong understanding of what cost per conversions works for your business, so that you can set it up across the Google Ads competition, and in order to make sense for your business. So this is very important to use this conversion strategy. Now, okay, for maximize conversion value, it is very interesting bidding strategy. It actually maximizes the total conversion value of your campaigns within your specified budget with maximize conversion value bid strategy. This bidding strategy uses advanced machine learning to automatically optimize and set bids. It also offers auction time bidding capabilities that tailor bids for each auction. You define the value that you want to maximize, such as sales revenue or profit margins, and when you set up conversion tracking for your account, you can start using this strategy, since you need this data. You need your conversion data in order for this bid strategy to work properly. How it's work? Using historical information about your campaign and evaluating the contextual signals presented at auction time, maximize conversion value bidding automatically finds an optimal CPC bid for your ad each time it's eligible to appear. Google sets these bids to help get conversions that are the most valuable for your campaign while spending your budget. Keep in mind that before switching to maximize conversion value bidding, you need to check your daily budget amount, because maximize conversion value will try to fully spend your daily budget, and then check your return on investment ROI goals, because if you want to use this strategy and if you have an ROI goal for your campaign, such a target return on ad spend ROAS, you may want to add a target ROAS to your bid strategy. And the last automated bid strategy is the impression share bidding. And actually what it does is this is a strategy that automatically set bids with the goal of showing your ad on the absolute top of the page, on the top of the page, or anywhere on the page of Google search results. Target impression share is available either as a standard strategy in a single campaign or as a portfolio strategy across multiple campaigns. How it's work? It just target impression share bidding automatically bids and set bids to help achieve your impression share goal across all campaigns using this strategy. So basically it's more about branding, and if you doesn't aim to get as much as conversions, clicks, or any of the above goals, this is different from all the other automated bid strategies, because it aims more as a branding presence of your ads than real impact on your sales. And the last one is actually the manual bid strategy. This is the oldest one, and basically I personally believe that it will disappear with time. So the manual CPC bid strategy is a bid method that lets you set your own maximum cost per click for your ads. This is different from automated bid strategies which set bid amounts for you. So there is a few things you need to remember about manual CPC bidding. It's that manual CPC bidding give you control to set the maximum amount that you could pay for each click on your ads, and you start by setting a maximum cost per click bid for your entire ad group. But you can also set separate bids for individual keywords or placements. For example, if you have found that certain keywords are more profitable, you can use manual bidding to allocate more of your advertising budget to those keywords. Basically, this is something that the automated bid strategies do for you. They are doing the calculation based on what you have choose, whether it will be targeted CPA, targeted ROAS, or maximize conversion. And this is the reason I believe that the manual CPC will disappear in the next years. And the last thing is that if you are not sure which keyword or placement are most profitable, or if you don't have time to devote to managing manual bids, you can consider a maximize clicks bid strategy instead. This is like alternative of manual CPC. This is the maximize clicks, and I'm using it very often just because I believe that it is doing almost the same job and save you a ton of time. The only reason for now, if I want to use manual CPC, is if I have a very specific competition and very special reasons to go for spending manual time to adjust bids that are mathematically calculated way more faster by Google Ads machine. So as a conclusion, these were all the 6 automated bid strategies and the manual bid strategy. If you like this video, subscribe for the channel, hit the notification bell, And if you want to check our availability, you can find us on howtoads.com.